Hi, I'm good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Jharkhand. I'm from your neighbor state. No, right. You are absolutely right. How did you recognize? How did you identify? Tell me. Right. Yeah, I'm from Odisha. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Then tell me, what do you do? Okay, which department? Technical, non-technical? Means you are studying non-technical science, right? Okay, that's good. And which year are you studying? Okay, is it your final year, right? Okay. How long have you been using this platform? How long? Okay, I'm not a student. I have completed my graduation. Right now, I'm learning language, how to speak better English like you. Yep, yep. Do you know about Odisha district? Okay, you tell me how many district you know and how many district have you visited in Odisha. After that, I will tell. Oh, hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Right. That is a tourist place also and famous place in Odisha. That's why people they know and Raulkela you people know because Raulkela means nearest from Jharkhand, right? Yeah, Jharkhand people they come. Pardon? I am from in Odisha in nearest from Baleswar. Yeah. Okay. If you don't know in other district, if I tell you, you cannot know about it, right? Is it? Am I right? Hello. I don't want to disclose my district. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. You are right. Yeah, I don't want to disclose my personal detail in social media. Yeah, that's it. Hmm. Right, right, right. You are right. That's it. Then you tell how long have you been learning language? 2 years. Wow. Then, apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your spoken English or what else? Okay, tell me. If I don't use, then definitely I will use. CV is a good platform. Before I used to use, but right now I don't know. I cannot install. I cannot use it. What happened? I don't know. Yeah. Otherwise, CV platform is good. Pardon? I got it. Because right now you are a fluent speaker, you have a trained mind, right? If someone asks you in their native language, then you reply, right? Your native language. If someone talk with you in English, then you reply English and you talk with them in English, right? Then no need to practice more. But you want to keep on touching English language through platform because we are Indian, right? We don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in English daily. That's why we people depend in this type of platform and we talk with language learner, right? Just we want to keep on touching fluency or confidence and if we don't talk regularly with anyone then we may lose our fluency and confidence simultaneously. I think myself, right? Yeah, that's why we people here. Otherwise, we can speak survival if we communicate with other people who speak English, then it's okay for us in Indian, right? Or if we communicate with different level like a public speaker or well educated people, then that is a different level, right? But it is a language, then it will take time. No one can get overnight, right? Just a question answer session is not enough to improve language, right? If I ask you, where are you from? What do you do? What's your qualification? What you wanna be? It is not enough, right? If we take topic and we speak the topic 5 to 10 minutes, then that is a different learning journey, right? Otherwise, if you go to yeah, if you go to stage on the stage and you have to deliver your speech 5 to 10 minutes, then you have to know about deeply about the topic, right? Then we can speak in front of public, we can deliver our speech in front of public. If any query raised from public, then we will clarify their doubt, right? Then if you have deep knowledge about topic, then we can clarify their doubt if you become a public speaker, right? Then that is a different people have different learning journey. People they want to speak fluently on the stage, public speaker, they want to be a public speaker, they want to interact with their higher authority, they want to present their presentation in front of team, right? So many things people they do it, right? Not only question answer session. Am I right? Hello. Yeah, yeah, that yeah that yeah, that's why we have to learn in different category. it sometime we take question answer session. Right now we are talking in like a interview, right? You asked about my introduction, I asked about your introduction. After that we talk about in different matter, right? Then that type of question answer session, that is also required, right? We always meet different category people, right? Then if you want to do any kind of job in future, or if you want to appear interview, then you have to learn different category for interview also, and for how to communicate with well educated people also. And if you get chance to go to on the stage, then you have to deliver speech in front of public or any kind of college function. Then you have to prepare that kind of also session, right? Then it is not a easy task, it will take time, and we have to learn step by step, right? That is also required. And it is a small platform, but if you have big purpose, then definitely small step leads your successful journey, right? We never think I if I get a means big platform and good platform, after that I will start learning journey. If we think about that scenario, then that scenario never comes in front of us. We have to search, we have to get opportunity within us, within our surrounding. Then we can take action for our better future, right? Otherwise nothing. That's why people they want to learn language, but they only like question answer session, interview type of discuss, right? What's your name, where are you from, but they don't ready to take topic to discuss. That is a required, right? But then don't want to participate, and they don't like that kind of topic. And maximum people I see, they like only like-minded people. If they know any person, they want to interact with them. And if they meet any unknown person, they don't want to interact with that person, right? That's why we have to jump out of comfort zone. Then we can learn so many things. And language is a learnable skill, right? It is not a means, it doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score. It required courage, confidence, determination, devotion, dedication, consistency, habit, motivation. Those kind of ingredients required to learn, enhance any language, right? That's why we are here.